Hello students, I am Vijayata, Assistant Professor from Postgraduate Teaching Department of Law, Rashtriya Sant Tukadoji Maharaj, Nagpur University. Well, this is again the continuation video of International Covenant on Civil and Political Right 19. In this video, we are going to cover the implementation procedure that is started with Article 28 to 45. It is the part 4 of the Covenant, International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights. Article 28 makes a provision for the establishment of Human Rights Committee, which shall consist of 18 members. It also provides the members of the committee the qualification in order to be the members of the committee, and the member of a committee shall be elected and shall serve in their personal capacity. The Human Rights Committee shall carry out the implementation of human rights provided in the Covenant in the following ways. These are the functions of the committee. First, the reporting procedure. Second, interstate communication system. Third, conciliation procedure. And fourth, individual communication system. The individual communication system, which is the last system, is not the part of the Covenant, but it is a part of the optional protocol to the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights. These remedies are available to those individuals whose states are parties to the Covenant as well as optional protocol to the Covenant. The committee shall not receive any communication which not a party to the present Covenant. The General Assembly with the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights adopted the optional protocol. First optional protocol was in 1976 and second optional protocol was in 1991. The committee shall not admit the communication if it is anonymous, abusive, or incompatible with the provision of the Covenant. If the committee admits the communication for consideration, it brings to the attention of the state party who is alleged to have violated any provision provided in the Covenant. Then the state is required to give the written explanation on the statement clarifying the matter and the remedy, and if any that may have taken by the states within the period of 6 months. The committee shall not consider any communication from the individual unless it has ascertained that the same matter is not being examined under another procedures of international investigation or settlement and the individual has exhausted all available domestic rights. Note here that the first optional protocol where the Human Rights Committee can accept the individual complaint in a simple word, there are certain prerequisite condition that the committee shall consider the communication only after ascertaining that the same matter is not being in the international investigation procedure or settlement and that the individual has exhausted all available domestic remedies. The second optional protocol, which came in 1991, the main objective of the second optional protocol was to abolish the death penalty. With this, the International Covenant on Human Rights was implemented and two optional protocols to the Covenant, to the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights was adopted. With this, the right of the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights is come to an end. Thank you.